Hi everyone! It's Miss Emily here from Union Public Library. Welcome to this week's take-home activity tutorial. This week we are going to make a waterless cactus garden out of paper. In your kit you'll find some cactus templates as well as 5 paper towel tube segments. All you'll need from home are some markers, you choose which color, some scissors, as well as some glue or tape. Let's get started. So our first step is to decorate our cactus templates. Now, you should find 10 templates in all, 2 copies of 5 different patterns. So be sure to match them up before you start coloring. Here's what they look like. And we are going to decorate them in any colors or patterns we wish. So I'm going to do that now. Alrighty, so I've colored in each of my templates. Didn't actually color them in fully. I made a bunch of different designs and different colors, and you can decorate them however you'd like. And the next step is to cut them out. So our cacti are all decorated and cut out, and now we are going to make them 3D. And the way we do that is by folding them in half, more or less, both copies of them. And now we stick them together either with glue or tape. I'm going to use tape. And make it look a little bit like this, more or less. Do another piece at the top. If you have any excess tape, just snip it off. And it'll look a little something like this. And from there, we just very gently stick it in the paper towel tube segment. And it looks like a potted cactus. So I'm going to show you one more example. And I only colored, decorated, whatever you want to call it, one side of the paper. But if you want, you can decorate both sides. And that way it really does look three-dimensional. And again, stick some tape on. And if you are using glue instead, be sure to let the glue dry fully before you pot the cactus in the paper towel tube. Alrighty. So here's another example of our 3D cactus. I'm going to take another tube segment and, ooh, this might be a little too narrow for this one. Maybe this one? Uh-oh. I'm going to have to experiment. And there we go. If necessary, you may have to glue or tape the cactus into the tube. So eventually you'll have 5 of these wonderful waterless cacti, and you could display them on your desk, in your room, wherever. And we encourage you to send us a copy, a picture of your finished project. At the end of the video, I'll show you where to send that to. And I hope you enjoy this project, and we'll see you again soon. Bye, everybody.